working from home more recently, and I wanted to put a privacy strip on our office/backroom door. So I'm going to use Derivan Gel Medium. You need to prep the window first by cleaning it with a good window cleaner. Say Derivan Healthy Clean window cleaner. I don't want to do the whole window, I'm just going to do a section. So I'm going to mark the area that I want to do out with painter's tape. I'm going to do this section with stripes with the sponge, so I have to work quickly applying the gel medium. Once it's applied, I'm then going to drag the sponge down so that I get these stripy lines. Now I want to apply a strip of green, so I'm going to mix in the phthalo green in with the gel medium. And this time I'm not going to do stripes, I'm just going to do a mottled effect, so I'm just going to dab it on. You need to pull the painter's tape off while the gel medium is still wet so you get a nice crisp line. The gel medium has dried now after a couple of hours and you really can't see through it. Notice the difference between the stripes and the green mottled line. To finish this off, I'm going to do a keep out or else sign using the gel medium tinted with the magenta. So I have that stencil there and I've taped it to the window, and now very carefully just applying the gel medium. Use my completed privacy screen and keep out sign for my home office. Why don't you give it a go? It's really easy.